What's up guys, Happy Droid. This is just a quick update for the original VM5. There's a brand new menu out. This adds a bunch of little features. You can get it from the website www.happydroid.net, and simply you just click this file. Now there is a couple of differences compared to the way this was done before. I'm going to show you. So once you extract the folders, you'll end up with a bunch of little files like this. This is updater readme. This explains how to do it, but I'm going to show you anyway. So what you want to do is take the card out of your VM5. Doesn't matter what firmware you have installed, even the older model. Plug the SD card into your computer and copy the contents of this folder to your card. What you want to do is erase the card first, make sure there's no files on it, open that folder and copy all these files onto the SD card. Once you've done that, plug the SD card back into your VM5 and then you can prepare for the next step. What you want to do is plug the device into your computer, into a USB port, and then what you want to do is run the drivers. So what you want to find is what type of system you have. If you have Windows 7, you would obviously run this. If you have 10 or 11, I would probably run this x86 version or the x64. You could try both of them if it doesn't work, and then what you want to do is go to the next step. So the next step is to run the actual menu updater. So what you want to do is select your COM port. Now you might have a bunch of them. The VM5s typically have a COM port of above 10, but if you're not sure, what you can do is you can switch off, just simply unplug your VM5 and then run the open the COM port selection again. You'll notice that one of these have now disappeared. Now turn the device back on the USB port and then select the one that appeared. So there's the one that appeared. And now what you want to do is you want to erase it. I'm not going to erase it, I'm just going to burn it straight over. You can erase it if you want, but I would recommend erase it first. And then click on burn. And what that's going to do is going to reset your device there. And you're going to see a bunch of stuff happening here. Just let it do its thing. Now for quickness, I just did a complete reflash, but I would recommend that you erase it first. And that just ensures that the partition system is exactly the same what it should be. Anyway, once you're done, the device should reboot. You'll probably notice it says version 1.1, but don't worry at the minute. What we need to do is then get it to boot into version 1.2. So it might say 1.1 or version 1.0. I had the older version here, so it's not fully loaded yet. So what you have to do is just go into one of the apps. Doesn't matter what one, just select one. And what's going to happen is it's going to try and load that app. And then it's going to say it's an unauthorized device. Just wait a few minutes, it will reboot. And you're going to notice something magic happen. So it's going to load back into the menu, and the menu will then be fully updated. And then you'll be able to run all the apps like normal. It's just a little thing to get this to trick itself, and you'll also notice the new boot screen. And now you'll notice that you're on version 1.2. And now when you go into the apps now, you'll notice that you have Sensor Hub. So Sensor Hub works directly inside the actual main launcher now. So if you have the external sensors, this will work for you. So now let's just try, let's just open that for example. So now the app should load properly. Like so. And the apps have been updated as well. So what you want to do is go to the settings menu. You'll see a new settings. So you have a TTS menu. You can select beep or TTS. So just to show you, it basically brings back the old TTS speak, you know, when it was speaking. And the speaker's broken in this, so it sounds a little bit funny, but you'll get the gist of it. So it'll say the word and then it'll show what it said and stuff like that. So all the word-based apps now have that function. And you can then quit the app and do whatever you want. So that's basically it. That's the update. It gives you the new bootloader. You can change this bootloader as well, the boot screen. I'll show you how to do it in a minute. So you want to go into the SD card files, go into icons, and you'll see the new boot screen. There's a PNG file. If you want to edit, you can edit this file. You have to keep it the same resolution, and it has to be in PNG format, but you can basically change that for a custom team logo or whatever you like. And that basically, when you save that to the card, when you restart the device, let me just show you, you'll get your custom boot screen as well. If there's no boot screen file in there, bootScreen.png, what I'll do is it will then display the old one. Also, if this format is not correct, it will then just fall back to the old system. Okay, so that's basically it. That's the update. You can get it from www.appledroid.net up the top here. Click on the VM5 Gen 2. Ignore all this other stuff because this is the new model. This is the Gen 2 model. This is only for the older style, the one with the silver buttons, as you can see here, and that basically updates you to the new firmware. So yeah, that's basically, guys, it's a super easy way to do it. It's not very difficult. Any future updates from this will be directly on the device. This is only to allow me to get the text-to-speech working again for this model, and as you see, it works no problem. Also adds the, like I showed you before, go into the apps, and then you have the sensor hub mode as well, so that also supports the external sensor modules and stuff like that. That's already available for this device, and your device will be able to use it, much like the brand new model has. Okay, so that's basically, guys, I'm going to leave it there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.